Hey guys, I'm Chandler with Legacy Roofing Construction. Today we're going to be talking about roofing underlayments. Once your snow and ice guard is properly installed on the roof deck, it's now time to install the underlayment, and typically you have one of two options. There's a standard felt paper, which is an asphalt saturated felt. It's cost effective and easy to install, but what a lot of roofers are moving to today is a new synthetic underlayment, which is typically manufactured of a woven material and offers increased water protection and grip while on the roof. Matt and I are going to throw this synthetic underlayment on, and we'll be back in a second. Alright guys, as you can see, our synthetic underlayment is now installed over the entire roof deck. A lot of synthetic underlayments offer a waterproof warranty in themselves. This one does as well. You can see these nice markers along the underlayment that allow to show the amount of lap that is needed for the underlayment. As the courses go up, they will overlap each other. Guys, don't be afraid to give us a call at 419-230-0196 for your free estimate or inspection today.